was my son's 15th birthday. And it was a rainy evening. Come around a corner, there's a vehicle on the road. The accident, it compressed my spine for one. I ruptured 2 discs, one in my neck and one in my back. But I thought, I have insurance. I can handle this. My employer changed medical insurance companies 3 different times. So I ended up with 3 different insurance companies to try to work through. You figure, okay, I've got this insurance. If something happens to me, I'll be taken care of. And that's what you think. And it's a false sense of security because that isn't the way it worked. I went to NLE, to Mike and the team, and they got me everything that the liabilities and the uninsured motors that I was entitled to get. But because of the laws at that time, the insurance companies made me pay back a portion of it. And this is something called ERISA subrogation. I was a software test engineer. I worked with computers. I loved my job. The damage to my arms and legs made working impossible. There was a calculation that my lifetime expenses expected at that point was close to $2 million. So everything that I received from the automobile insurance should have been mine to take care of these future expenses. And so for that insurance to take that money that you need for your future care it's just wrong. So Mike and his team asked me if I'd be interested in following suit. And I go, what do you mean? He goes, well, we can take these on and we can make a change. And I go, I want to do that. I want to be on board. And we fought that all the way to the Supreme Court. I didn't want anyone else to have to go through what I went through. I wanted it to make a change for other victims so they can get what they're entitled to have. The other day, when Mike explained to me exactly the changes we made, I told my son, who was in the accident with me, and it was his birthday when the accident happened. So he's carried this sense of guilt, and every year on his birthday, he gets depressed. And so now, when I told him about this the other day, he smiled for the first time about the accident. He felt good. He's like, we did something good then. I said, yeah. Mike gave me this opportunity to make a difference. I made something positive out of my injuries, and it gave my life purpose again.